Imagine a small online clothing brand wants more sales. The owner posts every day, makes reels, boosts posts, runs discounts, sends emails, and changes the website. Some posts get likes, ads get clicks, the website gets visitors, but sales barely improve. Was digital marketing the problem? No. The problem was the lack of strategy. A digital marketing strategy is a clear plan that connects a business goal with the right audience, message, channels, offer, content, tracking, and results. Without strategy, marketing becomes random activity. The first step is setting a clear goal. A business must decide what it actually wants. More awareness, website traffic, leads, online sales, bookings, app downloads, customer retention. The first question should not be, what should we post? It should be, what result are we trying to achieve? The second step is understanding the audience. A business must know who it is targeting, where they live, what they need, what they can afford, which platforms they use, and what stops them from buying. A clothing brand targeting students may focus on TikTok and Instagram. A software company targeting managers may focus on Google, LinkedIn, email, and webinars. The third step is understanding the customer's problem. People do not buy products only because of features. They buy outcomes. A person does not buy a gym membership just for exercise. They buy health, confidence, and progress. A person does not buy an online course just for videos. They buy knowledge, skills, and career opportunities. The fourth step is creating a clear message. A weak message says, buy our product. A strong message explains why the product matters. For example, affordable streetwear designed for students who want everyday style without paying premium prices. The message should be clear, relevant, believable, and focused on customer value. The fifth step is choosing the right channels. A business does not need to be active everywhere. It needs to be where its audience actually spends time. Search works well when customers are already looking for a solution. Social media works well for visual products and discovery. Email works well for follow-ups and existing customers. Paid advertising creates faster reach. SEO and content help build long-term authority. The sixth step is creating a strong offer. An offer gives people a reason to act. It may include a free trial, discount, free delivery, consultation, guarantee, bundle, or loyalty reward. The seventh step is creating campaign assets. These may include videos, advertisements, landing pages, emails, product images, testimonials, forms, and call to action buttons. Even a strong strategy can fail if the execution is poor. The final steps are measurement and optimization. Businesses should track results such as clicks, leads, conversion rates, sales, revenue, customer acquisition cost, and return on advertising spend. Then they improve the campaign using the data. They keep what works, fix what is weak, and stop wasting money on what fails. The simplest definition is this: a digital marketing strategy is a structured plan that connects business goals with the right audience, message, channels, offer, content, measurement, and improvement. Strategy turns random marketing activity into measurable business results. The next topic is websites as digital sales machines, how websites, landing pages, and funnels guide visitors toward action.